Well, let me show you my pumpkin patch. Basically start about right there. Actually, they're planted right where that white pipe is. I tried to train them where they didn't go over into my peas, which are just about played out. But most of them are going this way to the right. And I have quite a few daggone pumpkins. Let me kind of peek through here. That rabbit just scared the pooey out of me. That one is 10 inches in diameter. Not very big. That one is 12. The orange one there is 12 or so. That one's about 12 inches in diameter. Got one in there. It's about 12. Seems to be the kind of the norm. These are called jack-o'-lantern pumpkins. Now that one there is not much bigger than a softball. These are called jack-o'-lantern. I would have thought they got bigger than this. Another one there about 12, 14 inches in diameter. That one about the same. The vines are starting to play out. I don't know whether it's, I think it's just time. You know, it's mid-October, and I think it's just time. All these little ones like that, they're not gonna make it. They're not gonna be around long enough for the frost to mature. Some of them are ripe, or look more riper than others. That one, of course, is not. I'm hoping it will. I think it will ripen up. Another one up in here. That's about 12, 14 inches. That one's not much bigger than a softball there. I don't know whether you can even hear me. I may have to go in the house and redub this in the studio because the wind's blowing so much. I don't know whether the sound is coming through because it's so dang windy, but I'm trying. I got a dead cat on the microphone, and in case you don't know what a dead cat looks like, that's a dead cat. And I've got a sock on top of the dead cat to try to help muffle. If you don't know what a sock is, man, you need to go to the store. That's all I can say. I just noticed that, well, let me come over here. I mowed these a couple of days ago. Came through on these edges and kind of mowed it because it was getting a little too crazy, and I knew we didn't have time for anything to make out there anyway. Like I said, I planted here, and I had tried to train them where they all went this way, but I just noticed up in these peas, there's a bunch of pumpkins up in here, back up in there, pumpkins up in there. So, boy, them things trail out. You know, some of these vines are easy 20 feet long. Most of them 12, 15 feet long. Some of them probably 20 feet long. So anyway, that's a look at my pumpkin crop. It's, you know, not bad, considering I've got about, this is about 70 feet long, and I planted about 12 hills of pumpkin, maybe 3 plants in each hill. And anyway, I think they did pretty good. So anyway, just mainly want to show you my pumpkins. I'll show you my peppers and stuff some other time. But pumpkins, I don't know what I'll do with them. We don't eat a lot of pumpkins, but my wife uses them for decorations here and at her shop. And if we don't need them, cows will. So I know some of y'all have some good pumpkin recipes. I'm not a big pumpkin pie eater. I like sweet potato more than I do pumpkin. I know they taste similar. So anyway, we'll do something with them. I just kind of grew them on a lark, just kind of see what they would do, and they've done pretty decent considering I didn't plant that many. So anyway, that's it. We got pumpkins. We got the pumpkins. All right. I believe we gone now.